Realme revealed a month ago that it was developing a phone with 240 watts wired charging capabilities, and it appears that the phone has always been a Realme GT Neo 5. Even the phone's charging capabilities have previously been hinted at. Neo 5 is currently available to the public, and it is bragging about its lightning-fast speeds without even the slightest amount of restraint. Having said that, the phone is quick in other areas as well, even though the incredible charging speed is one of its main selling points. The GT Neo 5's battery has a 4600 mAh capacity, which is by no means a little amount. Realme claims that even with its pitiful battery, it can charge the phone from 1% to 100% in around 10 minutes. The phone charges from 1% to 50% in under 4 minutes, which is crucial. Keep in mind that these claims begin at 1%. Furthermore, it is unknown how much power the phone will require when charging from 0%. However, we anticipate that the timing will be rather close to the claimed 9.5 minutes. The Realme GT Neo 5's ability to quick charge now raises some questions. In other words, how quickly will the battery age? Realme claims that after 1600 charging cycles, the phone loses 20% of its actual capacity. The manufacturer also acknowledges that it calculated that number with 240 watts charging in mind. Having said that, Realme offers the GT Neo 5 in two different configurations. One of them has a 240 watts charging capacity, while the other has a 150 watts charging capacity. The second variation features a battery that is 5000 mAh, somewhat larger. Additionally, the 240 watts version of that phone will undoubtedly charge more slowly. But anyone worried about the phone's durability would probably be better off with the 150 watts model. On paper, its charging speed appears to be somewhat modest, but in practice, it charges the iPhone incredibly quickly. The Realme GT Neo 5 is quick in other areas as well, as was already mentioned. It has a 144Hz screen as standard. The resolution is 2772 by 1240 pixels, and it's unclear whether the screen is OLED or LCD, therefore, each and every image needs to be clear and detailed. The SoC department does have some gaps, though. Realme included the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in the GT Neo 5, rather than the most recent and finest. Even so, the processor's performance ought to be more than adequate for routine work. The Realme GT Neo 5 has a 50 megapixels IMX890 primary camera for photography. The primary camera is accompanied with a 2 megapixels microscope sensor and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera. Even the lighting on the rear is programmable. You also get a 16 megapixel selfie camera on the front. The GT Neo 5's operating system, Realme User Interface 4.0, is based on Android 13. An IR blaster and a Bluetooth 5.3 chip are two other noteworthy features. However, the Realme GT Neo 5 is only presently offered in China. You should budget about $472 for the base model of the 240 watts type. Additionally, the base model starts at $383 for the 50 watts option. The phones may or may not be introduced to the global market. However, Realme intends to release the GT3 worldwide. Additionally, that phone will support 240 watts charging. Therefore, even if you cannot get the GT Neo 5, you may still benefit from the GT3's excellent rapid charging. What do you think of the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.